Now, part D is about the permutation. What was permutation? When the arrangement, the order of the objects are very important. For example, when there are three people and I want to arrange them in a row, okay, so it's important who comes first, who comes second, and who comes third. And the formula for permutation was this one. Out of n objects, you choose r of them and you arrange them, and the formula was this one. Actually, most of the problems can be easily solved by using product principle, so I also advise you not to stick to this formula. If you can apply it, use it, but most of the question can be easily solved by using the product principle. So we can say in the problem, for example, suppose you have 4 different colored flags. How many different signals could you make using 2 flags? So if you remember in a product principle, what we used to do, okay, we have 2 spaces here. I need to put them. How many choices I have? I have 4 choices. So for the first one, I have 4 choices. For the second, 3 choices. And the result will be 12. Using permutation, what does it say? You have 4 flags, and out of them you have to choose 2 of them and arrange it. So according to the formula, it goes as 4 factorials divided by 4 minus 2 factorial. So it will be 24 divided by 2, which is 12. As you can see, the same result. And for the B, now for B, what we can do, 3 flags in a row. So if I go for the permutation, I have 4 flags. Out of them, I'm choosing 3 and I will arrange them. 4 factorials divided by 4 minus 3 factorials. So from here, it will be 24, right? So if I use product principle for this question, how I can do? Okay, I have 3 spaces. For first, I have 4 choices, then 3 choices, then 2 choices. The result is 24. I just do multiply them. Now part C, as you can see, 2 or 3 flags. 2 or 3 flags. So I have 2 cases. I first choose for 2, then for 3, and I need to add them up. If you remember, or when you see O, it means adding them up. So what we will do, actually, we did find for 2 flags, it's 12, and for 3 flags, it's 24. So in total, I have 36 different arrangements for 2 or 3 flags. Next problem, sprinters, okay, A, B, C, D. People, members of this relay team, in how many ways can the sprint be ordered? Okay, there are 4 people. How I can order them if there are no restrictions? So let's use product principle. I have 4 choices there. I have 4 people. So I have for the first 4 different choices. Then I have 3 different choices, 2 and 1. So what will be the result? The result will be 24. And for B, B must sprint last. Okay, if it's a last, B is here. I already used one of my choice. So 1 is here, 1 guy is here, 1 person is here. So I have other 3 people to arrange. So I have 3 choices, then I have 2 choices, then I have 1 choice. So in total, I have 6 different choices, 6 ways to do it. C, D must not sprint last. Okay, D must not sprint last. How we can solve it? Let's say D is last, right? And then from total 24, I will subtract it, and D must not be last. So D can be first, second, and or third, or you can solve like this. Okay, we can solve in different ways. Which one is easy for you? You can use it first. Okay, let's D be here first. So I have 3 choice, 2 choice, 1 choice for other guys. Then D is here, then D is third. Again, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So 6 choice, 6, 6, in total 18. For the last, D cannot come. Or how you can solve it? Actually, you can solve it. Let's say we put D at the end. I have 1 choice here, then I will rearrange 3 other guys here. So I have 6 choice. Out of 24, I will just subtract 6. It will give me 80. So let me write it here, 24. For the B, we found 6. It's 18. And for the C must sprint either first or second. Okay, so here, this question, how we can solve. Their Majesty wants to go first. So let's say there is also, I have 2 different cases, so I have to add them up. So 3 choice, 2 choice, or 1, or Their Majesty, guy C, wants to be second. So 3 choice, 2 choice, and 1. So for each case, I have 6, 6, and I have to add them up. It will be 12. A must be followed directly by B. So A must be directly by B. So A and B are together. How we can think of this problem? Okay, let me just put a space here, E1. A must be followed directly by B. So actually now I have three choices to put. I will imagine A and B together, right? A, B together. So I will imagine it as one, and I don't need to interchange their place B and A. I need to think only A follows B. So it can be AB here. Then I have two other guys, 2 times 1, right? Or how it can be? Okay, it can be AB here, 2 and 1, or AB here, 2 and 1. So I'm just going with the cases, so 6 different cases. Or just if you imagine this one as a one guy, you have 3 people. How you can arrange 3 people? 3 factorials, 6 ways. Also in your book, there is given about the permutation where some symbols are repeated. For example, let's say you have word book. How you can arrange book, how many different words you can make. Because there are repeated elements, it's different. It's not actually 24. It's not 4 factorials. It is not. So there is a way to solve it. If you're interested, you can check it. It's not compulsory for you to learn it because it's not in your syllabus. You are not responsible for this topic, but it's a good question.